what's going on YouTube? Got the dots in here. I'm gonna do a brake upgrade on it. It's with a, I forget what year Toyota these are from. It's from pickup. They just bolt right on. Freaking way bigger. Hopefully these are the right ones. I don't know, they look different than the ones online, so we'll see. Take these puppies off. Kabam! She's off. Yeah, these rotors are pretty shitty. I don't even think. What the fuck? Does it even have a freaking brake pad? I think one side of the brake pad's all worn down. What the fuck? Alright, I'm gonna take this off. Yeah, I'd say I needed some brakes. Freaking, it's right down to the freaking backing of it. Don't even look like two of the same pads. This one looks freaking paint. Yeah, that's no bueno. That is no bueno. There she be. Fucking sweet. Gonna have to cut that shit out. Trim this. What is it? What is it? I don't know about this brake line. People get the ones that go from straight from the caliper to here. They don't even. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I think I kinked it a little bit right there, so I don't know, but gotta take the hub off of this. Put it on a new rotor. I didn't get the ZX rotors. I just got the stock ones because I don't know why. I just did. Where the hell are the brake pads? Should have checked to make sure those fit on the calipers. That ain't good. Where the hell are the pins? I thought there were special clips to hold them in. Fuck. Well, I'll find out here pretty soon, man. Alrighty. Peace out. Till then. Alright. Advanced Auto didn't have braided brake lines. I don't remember the last time I updated you guys on this. But I got this thing on. Looks freaking decent. So the dilemma is I gotta go from here with the S out back this way, then back this way again, and into there. And for someone that's never done any hard brake lines or brake lines to begin with, I don't know if this is gonna work. I found the fittings. Oh shit. Found the brake line. But I don't remember where the shit to bend it is and where the shit to cut it is and to flare it, and yeah, so that's the dilemma. It's somewhere around here. I know what the shit looks like, kind of, so. It's here. Alright, I gotta find that shit, but looks pretty good. Got some cotter pins and got some brake fluid there, though. Fucking place is a mess. Might be in here. Nope, that's a negative Ghost Rider. Shit. Well, might be where the fittings were in here, but I don't think so. Nope. It might be stuck. Alrighty, I'll tune you back in when I find them, hopefully. Oh, I scratched the bumper when I tried to put the hood on by myself, but that's alright because I got paint anyways because there's runs right there. But alright, peace out. I'm Prison Mike! And I didn't update you guys since I last did the video there. That was about 2-3 days ago. But I got them all on. It might be sketchy and it might not. Hold on. There we go. Don't let me forget to turn that key off. Battery will die. Let me get my light. Oh, where's the Harbor Freight light? Free purchase right there. Are you kidding me? It don't work anymore? What the hell? Thanks a lot, Harbor Freight. I haven't even used that once, maybe. If you can see, I went right around the I don't know if I like that. Looks like it's leaking. Oh, blew the brakes and it wasn't leaking. Oh, let's check the fluid. Cross your fingers. Oh, I guess it don't matter because yeah, that's where it needs to be. I'm pretty sure that's the front one. I don't know where the full level on that is. Minimum. No, that's good. It ain't leaking. That's good. But anyways, up here in Vermont, there's a British invasion for a bunch of old British cars or new British cars too. And they had a car show on Sunday. It's now Monday. No, it was Saturday. And I put the brake kit on this, and it's over Stowe Mountain where it's a nice twisty, windy road over a mountain. So I took this hog. I get into Stowe. Let me turn this off. I get into Stowe. What the fuck? And freaking it's stuck in fourth gear. It won't come out of fourth. Was driving down, all of a sudden I go down shit. Just, you know, have a nice cruise, and she won't come out. So I was like, shit. So there's a little store. I pull off Pinnacle Ski and Sports Shop, pull off in there, start wang jangling her, trying to get her out, and she won't come out. So yeah, that's what happened. And now she's probably done for the summer. I only drove it like 10-12 times. Every time I was talking about this thing to someone, I always say how reliable it was. Oh, this thing's so reliable. Every time I get in it, it just starts right up and I drive and I have no problems. But the night before the car show, I took this thing to a meet. Kind of a meet. I don't know what it was. I guess it was a meet. Just a bunch of cars. Not a bunch, probably like 12. And freaking battery dies. Took it up to the store, get some gas. Shut the car off. Well, first we were out here and I was washing it. I tried to start off to go to the meet and it wouldn't start. So I hooked the battery starter up on it and it takes off. I get up to the store and I shut the car off. I said I probably shouldn't have shut the car off. Probably freaking thing won't start. So I try to start it, it won't start. So I had to push start it. And yeah, then we get it up to the meet right around the corner, and me not being good at driving standard, I stall the bastard. So we try to push start, we couldn't. Some guy comes out of his truck, tries to help us push over the side of the road. Then Taylor calls his dad, and he's at Walmart, so he buys some jumper cables, comes over, jumps us. Then we head to the meet. Then, of course, the battery's dead, so we have to call my brother, have him come jump us. Well, first we had him bring us to Walmart so we could get a battery. $140 goddamn for a battery. And my dad said, you should get a battery that's got the positive terminal over here. That way it doesn't, like, you know, arc on this metal here. But I totally forgot about that. It's the 24, size 24. If I got the 24F, the positive would have been over here, but then you would have had to switch the cables and shit. So yeah. Now there might be a 5-speed going in this hog pretty soon. I don't know if I can get one in here for summer ends or not, because I've never done anything with transmissions. But yeah, just figured I'd tell you about my car now. Yeah, I went around I forgot I was down in there. I was going to show you the brakes, but it looked like they were leaking, so I got sidetracked. But the brake line goes around the shock, or the shock thing. Not the shock, the fucking goes around the shock. That was gonna be not permanent. What's that word there? Temporary. And I was gonna get one of them flexible ones that goes up and over. But yeah. Sorry I didn't tune you guys back in, but you know, shit happens. Peace out.